Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into the world of futuristic luxury travel with the all-new 2026 GMC Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines what it means to hit the open road. GMC has taken the concept of motorhomes to an entirely new level, blending rugged American engineering with modern luxury, smart connectivity, and pure travel freedom. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your mobile luxury suite designed for the future. From the moment you look at the 2026 GMC Motorhome, it's clear this machine means business. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and modern. The front fascia carries GMC's signature grille with an illuminated emblem that glows softly at night, giving it a futuristic personality. The sleek LED matrix headlights and the aerodynamic body contours make this large motorhome look surprisingly agile. The aluminum and carbon fiber body panels reduce weight, while the panoramic side windows enhance visibility and give passengers a full scenic view. At the back, the full-width LED light bar, power liftgate, and integrated solar roof panels add both style and sustainability. GMC has also equipped this model with adaptive air suspension, allowing the motorhome to raise for off-road exploration or lower for better highway stability and fuel efficiency. Step inside, and the 2026 GMC Motorhome feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior is crafted with premium materials, soft Napa leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The cabin is designed to maximize both comfort and space, featuring modular furniture that can be reconfigured into sleeping, dining, or lounge areas. The driver's cockpit is ultra-modern, with a fully digital dashboard, augmented reality windshield, and a large infotainment touchscreen powered by GMC's latest AI assistant. Voice and gesture controls let you manage everything from navigation to temperature without lifting a finger. The living area includes a smart kitchen with an induction stove, fridge, and built-in coffee machine, all powered by the onboard solar and hybrid power system. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, and a self-cleaning system, perfect for long journeys. GMC has also integrated an air purification system to keep the cabin fresh and allergen-free. For entertainment, the motorhome offers a 5G connected media hub, a 55-inch retractable OLED TV, and a surround sound system that delivers a cinematic experience wherever you park. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a plug-in hybrid setup that combines a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors, producing a combined output of around 550 horsepower. The electric motors alone can provide up to 80 miles of emission-free travel, ideal for quiet campground drives or city cruising. The powertrain delivers seamless acceleration and impressive torque, making highway merging and mountain climbs effortless. GMC's new eMotion all-wheel drive system automatically adjusts torque between wheels for maximum traction on rough or slippery roads. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency while extending the battery range. On the road, the ride quality is exceptionally smooth. The adaptive air suspension absorbs bumps with ease, while the advanced noise cancellation technology ensures a whisper-quiet cabin. The 2026 GMC Motorhome handles corners confidently for its size, thanks to the low center of gravity and balanced chassis design. It's also packed with driver assistance tech, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 GMC Motorhome is positioned as a premium offering. The expected starting price is around $185,000 for the base hybrid model, while fully loaded versions with extended range and off-road packages can go up to $230,000. Considering the level of technology, comfort, and design, this price tag feels justified for anyone seeking the ultimate travel experience on wheels. In conclusion,
and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.